Before surgery, it was miserable. It was painful. I couldn't walk. I was in agonizing pain all the time. I couldn't sit, I couldn't stand, I couldn't walk without pain. It was awful. My experience at Mercy Orthopedic Spine and Hand Center has been amazing from start to finish. My coworkers have been shocked at my improvement. Most people who hadn't seen me for a while, their mouths fell open and they did a double take because I was actually walking. Before the surgery, I honestly thought I could not live the kind of life that I was used to, which included hiking, fishing with my grandchildren. Once I had the surgery, I'm living my life exactly like I did before. My life wasn't over after all.